Okay, here is the unit. Still needs one more of these. I didn't buy that one today. That'll go in here, and that will be where the containment fence comes down. Got the plate on the front here. Used my new Dremel to cut that. That thing is awesome. I installed the control panel to the fence here. The leads come in right, let's see, right in there. And then here's your intensity here on the fence. All these are held in with screws. I used the Dremel to cut off the screws. They're just regular drywall screws. And then from there, used a flat file to get it flat with the actual plastic itself. So now there's no real difference in the side there. You can't feel it. It doesn't catch or anything. It should be good to paint over. The lid to this, there will be a plastic or kind of a rubber gasket that goes in that little groove there, and then that will fit like that, and then that'll screw on the wall. And I guess tomorrow we'll start hooking up the electricity to it, and I'll keep you updated on that process.